Imagine a place where the sun shines at midnight, where glaciers dwarf skyscrapers and wildlife roams as freely as water flows. Welcome to Alaska. Engulfed in the raw beauty of nature, Alaska stands out as a unique gem in the crown of the United States. Nestled up in the northwest extremity of North America, this colossal state is known as the land of the midnight sun, and rightfully so. During the summer solstice, the sun here refuses to set, casting an ethereal glow throughout the night, a spectacle that mesmerizes and enchants in equal measure. This extraordinary phenomenon of the midnight sun is due to Alaska's unique geographical location. The state is positioned in the uppermost northern hemisphere, tipping over the Arctic Circle. This positioning results in the sun tracing a horizontal path across the sky during the summer solstice, creating a breathtaking spectacle of endless day. But the midnight sun is just one of the many wonders Alaska holds. The state's grandeur goes beyond this, stretching over a staggering 660,000 square miles. That's over twice the size of Texas. Within this expansive wilderness, you'll find a diverse landscape that is as varied as it is vast. From towering mountains and sprawling tundras to the icy blue glaciers and the countless rivers and lakes, Alaska's natural beauty knows no bounds. And then there's the wildlife. Alaska is a haven for a multitude of creatures. It's here that you can spot majestic brown bears fishing for salmon, bald eagles soaring through the clear skies, and humpback whales breaching off the coast. It's a wild, untamed paradise where nature truly reigns supreme. Alaska, with its awe-inspiring landscapes and unique phenomena, is a testament to the untamed beauty of our planet. It's a place where you can experience the extraordinary, where each day brings with it a new adventure, a new story to tell. Alaska, a paradise untouched and ready for exploration. Journey into the heart of Alaska's wilderness, where the majestic Denali resides. Here in Denali National Park, the spirit of adventure isn't just alive, it's the pulse of the earth beneath your feet. Stretching over 6 million acres, this park is a mosaic of tundra, spruce forests, and glaciers, and it's larger than the entire state of New Hampshire. At the center of this vast landscape stands Mount Denali, the crown jewel of the park. Towering at 20,310 feet, it's not only the tallest peak in North America, but also a test of mettle and spirit for climbers from around the globe. The mountain was formerly known as Mount McKinley, named in 1903, but was restored to its original name, Denali, in 2015. A name which means the high one in the native Koyukon language. The park's biodiversity is as dramatic as its scenery. From grizzlies ambling through the lowlands to Dall sheep dotting the hillsides, Denali is a haven for wildlife watchers. The skies, too, are aflutter with activity, home to golden eagles and the rare gerfalcon. Each creature plays a role in this ecological tapestry where the balance of life rests in the rugged hands of nature itself. Delving into its history, Denali National Park was established in 1916, initially to protect its large mammals from overhunting. It has since become a symbol of natural preservation and a sanctuary where the interconnections of ecosystem dynamics can be studied and admired. The park still holds deep significance for the native peoples, many of whom have lived in and around this area for thousands of years, respecting and utilizing the land in sustainable ways that have allowed both their culture and the wildlife to thrive. In Denali, nature reigns supreme, reminding us of our humble place in this vast world. Here, every whisper of the wind through the pines and every track in the soft tundra mud tells a story of survival, resilience, and beauty. Imagine a night sky dancing with colors so vibrant it takes your breath away. Welcome to the spectacle of the Northern Lights. The Northern Lights, or Aurora Borealis, are not just a stunning visual experience, but a complex natural phenomenon, resulting from interactions between the Earth's magnetic field and solar wind. Charged particles collide with atoms in the Earth's atmosphere, painting the sky with breathtaking hues of green, purple, and sometimes even red and yellow. For those keen on witnessing this mesmerizing light show, Alaska offers some of the best vantage points in the world. The prime time for aurora viewing is during the long, dark nights from late September to early April. During these months, the skies are sufficiently dark and the weather cold enough to often create ideal conditions for the lights to reveal their full glory. Fairbanks, located under the auroral oval, a ring-shaped zone over the far north where aurora activity is concentrated, is renowned for its clear nights and excellent viewing conditions. Here, the lights swirl and pirouette across the sky, creating a dynamic display that captivates all who see it. Venturing further north to the Arctic Circle, the frequency and intensity of these displays increase. The sheer remoteness of this region reduces light pollution, allowing for even sharper and more vivid colors to emerge. The experience here is as raw as it is remarkable, standing in the silent, snowy expanse with the sky alight with ethereal colors. For the intrepid traveler, there are also opportunities to combine the light viewing with other activities. Imagine dogs sledding through a frosty forest under the shimmering glow of the aurora, or soaking in a hot spring as the skies above perform their colorful dance. Each experience is unique, each memory indelible. The science, the sight, and the stories of the Northern Lights all contribute to its mystique and allure. This celestial phenomenon not only illuminates the night sky but also lights up the imagination of all who have seen it. The Northern Lights, a celestial ballet that captivates and astounds, a sight to behold in the Alaskan sky. Venture into Alaska's icy realm, where glaciers carve landscapes and shape lives. In this frozen paradise, glaciers stand as colossal monuments of ice, each telling a story millions of years in the making. Alaska, home to about 100,000 glaciers, covers an area that would stretch over the entirety of the United States if laid flat. These icy giants account for a staggering 75% of all the fresh water on our planet. Among these, the Hubbard Glacier and the vast expanses of Glacier Bay are not just popular spectacles, but are profound teachers of Earth's climatic pulse. The Hubbard Glacier, often referred to as the Galloping Glacier, advances at a pace that outstrips most of its icy counterparts. This remarkable movement is not just a spectacle, but a dynamic force reshaping the fjords and ecosystems around it. Glacier Bay, on the other hand, is a serene national park and preserve that offers a silent narrative of ice ages past. This bay, with its deep fjords and tidewater glaciers, serves as a living laboratory for scientists and a visual feast for explorers. The glaciers here calve, creating small icebergs that drift lazily in the water, a process both mesmerizing and vital for understanding the impacts of global warming. The history of these glaciers is deeply entwined with the native cultures of Alaska. For thousands of years, indigenous peoples have lived alongside these massive ice forms, adapting their lifestyles to the harsh yet majestic environments shaped by the glaciers. The stories of their resilience and ingenuity are as captivating as the landscapes themselves. Studying these glaciers also provides critical insights into climate change. As they retreat, they reveal not only the Earth's past climate patterns, but also signal future changes. Scientists flock to these icy archives to uncover data crucial in the fight against global warming, making Alaska's glaciers key actors in the global environmental stage. Alaska's glaciers, the icy architects shaping this land, bear witness to the power and beauty of nature. From sun-drenched peaks to dancing skies, from icy realms to untamed wilderness, Alaska is a testament to nature's grandeur. Each corner of Alaska offers a unique spectacle, a distinct story, a separate chapter in the book of nature's wonders. We've journeyed through these chapters, immersing ourselves in the awe-inspiring landscapes that make Alaska a dream destination for travel enthusiasts and adventurers alike. We started our journey in the land of the midnight sun, where the sun graces the sky for nearly 24 hours during peak summer. A phenomenon that's more than just a spectacle, it's a testament to the endless wonders that our planet holds. Our adventure then took us to Denali National Park, home to the highest peak in North America. Denali, a beacon of majesty and grandeur, stood tall and proud, challenging us to conquer not just its heights, but also our fears. A trek through this national park is not just a walk in the wilderness, it's a journey of self-discovery and resilience. Our voyage continued under the dancing skies of the Northern Lights. The Aurora Borealis, a ballet of colors in the sky, left us spellbound. It's a sight that words can hardly do justice to, a spectacle that one has to witness to truly appreciate. We then sailed to the icy realms of Alaska's glaciers, These frozen rivers, a testament to the raw power of nature, sparkled under the sun, their icy facades hiding centuries-old secrets. A trip to these glaciers is a journey back in time, a peek into the world as it was thousands of years ago. Alaska, a land of extremes, a land of beauty, a land waiting to be explored. Are you ready for the adventure?